Did you know that Asia is home to some of the most powerful Catholic communities in the world? From their economic influence to their cultural impact, these countries are shaping the future of faith and power in the region. But which country ranks at the top? Stick around to find out. Asia is a continent rich in diversity, and the Catholic faith is an important part of its cultural fabric. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 5 most powerful Catholic countries in Asia for 2025. Our rankings are based on 3 main criteria: population size and influence of the Catholic community, the country's economic strength, and its historical and cultural contributions to Catholicism. Let's dive in. Country number 5. The Philippines is the heart of Catholicism in Asia, with 80% of its 115 million population identifying as Catholics. It ranks as the third largest Catholic population globally, following Brazil and Mexico. Catholicism was introduced in the Philippines in 1521 by Spanish explorers led by Ferdinand Magellan. The country's faith is deeply intertwined with its national identity. Historic landmarks such as the San Agustin Church in Manila are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. One of the most significant religious festivals is the Sinulog Festival, celebrated annually in Cebu City. The festival honors the Santo Niño and attracts millions of devotees and tourists alike. Another major celebration is the Feast of the Black Nazarene, held every January in Quiapo, Manila. Filipino Catholics observe unique Christmas traditions, including the Simbang Gabi, a series of 9 dawn masses. Over 10 million Filipinos live abroad, forming strong Catholic communities worldwide. These overseas workers send home billions in remittances, bolstering the country's economy. The Philippines has a growing GDP of over $450 billion as of 2025. Catholic schools and universities, like the Ateneo de Manila and University of Santo Tomas, are highly respected. The Filipino clergy is one of the largest in the world, with thousands of priests serving globally. Pope Francis' visit to the Philippines in 2015 drew a record crowd of over 6 million people. The Philippines is also home to the Asia-Pacific's largest Catholic media network, ABS-CBN's TV Maria. Filipino families often have religious altars in their homes, reflecting their devotion. The Church has played a significant role in the country's political history, including during the 1986 People Power Revolution. Prominent Catholic figures, like Cardinal Luis Antonio Tagle, represent the Philippines on the global stage. Catholicism has influenced Filipino art, with sculptures and paintings depicting religious themes. Filipino Catholics also observe Holy Week with passion plays and processions, especially in Pampanga. The country's diverse islands give Catholicism a unique cultural expression in each region. Despite challenges, the Catholic Church continues to be a moral and spiritual guide. The Filipino youth play an active role in maintaining the vibrancy of the Church. The Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines, CBCP, is a key organization in the nation. The Philippines has a unique blend of Spanish Catholicism and indigenous traditions. Churches remain at the heart of Filipino communities, serving as places of worship and social gatherings. The Philippines is a testament to how faith can shape a nation's identity and resilience. The country's Catholic faith is not just a religion but a way of life for its people. With its dynamic Catholic community, the Philippines proudly holds its place as a powerful Catholic country in Asia. Country number 4. Sri Lanka has a Catholic population of over 1.5 million, which is about 7% of the country's total population. Catholicism was introduced by Portuguese missionaries in the 16th century during their colonial rule. The Archdiocese of Colombo serves as the central hub for Catholicism in Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan Catholics are known for their deep devotion to the Virgin Mary. The Shrine of Our Lady of Madhu, a sacred pilgrimage site, attracts thousands of devotees annually. Catholic festivals like Christmas, Easter, and the Feast of Our Lady of Madhu are celebrated with grandeur. The Church plays a significant role in education, running many of Sri Lanka's prestigious schools. St. Anthony's Shrine in Colombo is a famous church visited by both Catholics and non-Catholics. Sri Lankan Catholics maintain strong traditions of processions, especially during the Holy Week. Despite challenges, the Catholic Church has been a symbol of unity in the country's multi-religious society. Catholic hymns in Sri Lanka blend Western liturgical styles with local Sinhalese and Tamil melodies. The Catholic clergy actively participates in interfaith dialogue, promoting peace and understanding. Many Sri Lankan Catholics have ancestral ties to Portuguese, Dutch, and British influences. The Church has been instrumental in supporting the underprivileged, providing health care and disaster relief. Sri Lankan Catholic art and architecture reflect a mix of European and local styles. The National Basilica of Our Lady of Lanka is one of the country's most prominent Catholic landmarks. Sri Lankan Catholics place significant emphasis on community and family values. Youth groups and organizations within the church actively engage in leadership and social service initiatives. The Catholic Church has played a pivotal role in the country's education and literacy programs. Many Catholic families in Sri Lanka observe traditional practices blended with Christian values. The Catholic Church is also known for its environmental conservation efforts in Sri Lanka. Catholic priests and nuns are highly respected for their dedication to social welfare and education. Annual feasts and novenas draw large crowds, reflecting the deep faith of Sri Lankan Catholics. The Church has contributed significantly to promoting harmony during times of ethnic conflict in the country. Sri Lankan Catholics abroad maintain strong connections with their home country through the Church. The Church in Sri Lanka works tirelessly for reconciliation and healing post-civil war. Catholic literature and media in Sri Lanka contribute to spreading messages of faith and hope. Sri Lankan Catholics are known for their vibrant cultural expressions during religious festivals. The growth and resilience of the Catholic community in Sri Lanka are a testament to their enduring faith. Sri Lanka's Catholic heritage continues to inspire devotion and community spirit, making it a powerful Catholic nation in Asia. Country number 3. India, with its 1.4 billion population, is home to over 20 million Catholics, representing 2.3% of the population. Catholicism in India has ancient roots, dating back to St. Thomas the Apostle, who arrived in Kerala in 52 AD. The state of Goa is often referred to as the Catholic heart of India, thanks to its Portuguese heritage. Goa's Basilica of Bom Jesus, housing the relics of St. Francis Xavier, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. India's Catholic community is diverse, with unique liturgical traditions like the Syro-Malabar and Syro-Malankara rites. Catholic schools and colleges, such as St. Xavier's and Loyola, are among the country's most prestigious institutions. The Indian Church plays a significant role in education, running thousands of schools across the nation. Catholic healthcare initiatives in India provide critical services, especially in rural areas. Major religious celebrations include Christmas, Easter, and the feasts of local saints. Kerala, a state in southern India, has some of the oldest Christian communities in the world. India's Catholic Church has a long history of producing saints, including Saint Alphonsa, the first canonized Indian saint. Economic contributions from Indian Catholics are significant, particularly in sectors like IT and education. Catholic communities in metropolitan cities like Mumbai and Bangalore are vibrant and influential. The Church has been a strong advocate for social justice and human rights in India. India's Catholic clergy actively engage in interfaith dialogue to promote peace and unity. Pilgrimages to sites like Velunkani Church draw millions of devotees annually. Catholic art and architecture in India are a blend of European and Indian styles. Indian Catholics often blend their faith with cultural traditions, such as wearing saris during Mass. The Church in India is a major player in charity and disaster relief efforts. Indian Catholics maintain a strong diaspora presence, especially in the Gulf and Western countries. India's vibrant Catholic media, including magazines and television channels, spreads messages of faith. Despite being a minority, Catholics in India have a strong political and social voice. The Church continues to thrive amidst challenges, including restrictions on religious conversions. Catholic festivals in India are marked by processions, music, and community feasts. The Catholic Bishops' Conference of India, CBCI, is a vital organization for the country's Catholic community. Young Catholics in India actively participate in youth movements and leadership programs. India's Catholic heritage is a unique blend of ancient traditions and modern practices. The Church plays a pivotal role in fostering unity among India's diverse communities. Indian Catholics are a testament to the faith's adaptability and resilience in a multicultural society. With its deep historical roots and modern influence, India remains a powerhouse of Catholicism in Asia. Country number 2. South Korea has seen rapid growth in Catholicism, with over 5 million Catholics, making up 10% of the population. Catholicism in Korea began not with missionaries but through local scholars in the late 18th century. The faith was introduced via books brought from China, leading to a unique self-propagating movement. Korea's first native priest, Saint Andrew Kim Taegon, is a revered figure in the Catholic Church. Catholicism faced severe persecution during the Joseon dynasty, producing many martyrs. Today, the Seoul Cathedral stands as a symbol of Korea's thriving Catholic community. South Korea is one of the most economically advanced nations in Asia, with a $2 trillion GDP. Korean Catholics are deeply involved in humanitarian work, both locally and globally. Pope Francis' visit to South Korea in 2014 drew massive crowds and renewed faith. Major Catholic universities, like Sogang University, are leaders in education and innovation. Korean Catholics are known for their active participation in social justice movements. Religious art and architecture in Korea blend traditional Korean aesthetics with Catholic influences. Catholicism in Korea is particularly popular among younger generations. Catholic parishes in Korea are tech-savvy, utilizing apps and online platforms to engage the faithful. Churches are often filled to capacity during Sunday Mass, reflecting the devotion of the people. South Korea celebrates the Martyrs' Feast Day annually to honor its Catholic martyrs. Catholic charities in Korea address issues like poverty, homelessness, and mental health. Korean Catholics play a vital role in reconciliation efforts between North and South Korea. Korean dramas and films often portray Catholic characters, showcasing the faith's cultural influence. Catholicism's emphasis on family values resonates deeply with Korean society. Pilgrimages to sites like the Martyrs' Shrine in Jeoldusan are popular among Korean Catholics. South Korea has a vibrant community of Catholic missionaries serving in countries worldwide. The Church actively promotes interfaith dialogue to foster peace and harmony in the region. Youth ministry programs in Korea are dynamic and well organized, drawing thousands of participants. Korean Catholics are known for their disciplined and community-centered approach to faith. The Church has a strong influence on policymaking, particularly in ethical and social issues. Catholic music in Korea, including hymns in Korean, is both spiritual and culturally significant. Despite challenges, the Catholic faith continues to grow and thrive in South Korea. The Church is a symbol of hope and unity in a fast-paced, modern society. South Korea's Catholic community exemplifies how tradition and modernity can coexist harmoniously.
Country number 1.
Vietnam has a Catholic population of over 7 million, making up approximately 7% of the country's population. Catholicism was introduced to Vietnam by Portuguese missionaries in the 16th century. The Church grew significantly during French colonization, leaving a lasting impact on the culture. The Notre Dame Cathedral Basilica of Saigon in Ho Chi Minh City is a prominent Catholic landmark. Vietnamese Catholics celebrate major feasts like Christmas, Easter, and the Feast of Our Lady of La Vang with grandeur. The Marian Shrine of Our Lady of La Vang, a sacred pilgrimage site, attracts millions annually. Despite historical persecution, the Catholic community in Vietnam has shown remarkable resilience. Catholic education institutions in Vietnam, such as seminaries and schools, play a vital role in society. The Church actively participates in social welfare projects, including healthcare and disaster relief. Vietnamese Catholics are known for their deep devotion to the Virgin Mary, reflected in various cultural practices. The Church continues to thrive despite challenges under the country's restrictive government policies. Catholic music and hymns in Vietnam incorporate traditional Vietnamese instruments and melodies. The Vietnamese Catholic Church honors numerous martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the faith. The Vietnamese martyrs, canonized by Pope John Paul II, are revered as national saints. Vietnam's Catholic clergy are highly respected for their dedication to community service. Many Catholic families in Vietnam maintain traditional values, blending them with their faith practices. Catholic organizations in Vietnam contribute to youth development and leadership training. The country's Catholic population is vibrant, with young people actively involved in church activities. Catholic festivals in Vietnam often feature colorful processions, music, and community feasts. The Church emphasizes interfaith harmony, promoting peace and understanding in Vietnamese society. Many rural areas in Vietnam have small but dedicated Catholic communities. Vietnam's Catholic literature and art reflect the fusion of faith and local traditions. Sunday Mass in Vietnam is a community event, often followed by gatherings and meals. Catholic charities address issues like poverty, homelessness, and education for underprivileged children. Vietnamese Catholics in the diaspora maintain strong ties to their faith and heritage. The Church plays an active role in promoting environmental sustainability in Vietnam. Major pilgrimages and retreats are organized to strengthen the faith of Vietnamese Catholics. The growth of the Catholic Church in Vietnam demonstrates its adaptability in a rapidly changing society. Vietnam's Catholic community stands as a testament to perseverance, unity, and faith. As a leading Catholic nation in Asia, Vietnam is a beacon of hope and inspiration for Catholics worldwide. From the Philippines to Vietnam, these countries show how faith, culture, and power intertwine to shape their global influence. What do you think of our list? Did your country make the cut? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more exciting content like this. See you in the next video.